Yeah, I must say, this looks really, really nice. You don't need anything more than this, legit. This is great. Wow. I am actually impressed. What's up everyone, Jacob Gago here. I got my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm excited to open this with you guys and also give you guys my first impressions. I am going to talk about a little bit about the camera, show you guys some examples. I'll also try some like little cinematic stuff. So I'm excited to open this. I'm coming from a 13 Pro Max. This is probably one of the greatest phones. I probably wouldn't have upgraded if I didn't get like a nice offer on this. But to be honest, this phone has been great. So anyways, let's go ahead and unpack this one. So the guy at Best Buy kind of already opened it, so a little spoiler alert. I'm sure you guys could see other unboxing videos, but you're here also for the other stuff I mentioned. So we got the phone here. We'll come back to this. It does come with a USB-C to a USB-C. I can't wait to finally start getting rid of all the lightning cables. All right, and then we have the instructions, and then we have a little card in the back just showing activation is through eSIM now. All right, so let's get to this. So guys, I would be honest, my first impression on this, I was a little disappointed on the Desert titanium. I love how the iPhone 13 Pro actually looks gold. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, I'm sure you guys could already tell from my impressions, it gives me pink phone vibes. It's funny because I thought I was the only one who thought this, and I was like, let me see what other YouTubers are saying. And almost everybody is confirming, depending on the lighting, I will say that this actually looks pink. I don't know if you guys could see it right now. Let's see if this thing can focus. So we go, really just depends on the angle, guys. So this phone really, when it comes to the Desert titanium, it really has a couple colors. It's sometimes gold, sometimes desert sand, like rose gold, and sometimes pink. I'm really split on whether I want to keep this phone or not. I love the new iPhone 16 technology, everything, that's fine. It's the Desert titanium, really disappointed. If we were to look at this from iPhone 13 Pro Max, it's gold, like literally, even the sides is gold. Got the metal frame, looks really nice. Let's put it side by side. So you could kind of see like this definitely looks a lot more gold, and this, depending on the angle, looks pink. If I was to go for another color, I'll probably go with the black, because when I hold the black, honestly, I'm like, damn, this looks really elegant. Whereas the Desert is more like premium, speaks luxury kind of thing. And so it kind of just depends on what you want. Obviously, as humans, we like all those things, but I might prefer the elegant. So I don't know, we'll see. But with that being said, that's kind of my first impressions. Definitely the bezels is a lot smaller on this. So we kind of look with these two guys, for sure the bezels is smaller. Okay, so let's get to one of the big guys here, is the camera button right there. Let's see if we can get it to focus. There it is. So this is going to be one of the biggest things other than the Apple Intelligence, which is literally just AI. Anyways, you guys didn't hear that from me. So you got the button there, and that's supposed to be a multi-function button. So let's go outside and take some photos. All right guys, so now we're outside. We're gonna try to take some photos. I'll try to maybe take some landscape photos real quick, and then we'll probably take a photo of just myself because I'm not shooting with anybody else right now. And then after that, we'll take some like little cinematic shots and just see what the iPhone 16 Pro Max can do. Here we go. So here we are. We're gonna try to take a photo. Coming to this first part here, we're just gonna put our hand here, and there goes the menu. It looks like the first one here is exposure. And so that's gonna make your image a lot brighter or darker. So I'm just putting my hand here. There it is. So it looks like you gotta press in a little bit. So that's exposure. You probably don't have to mess with exposure. All right, and then we have our depth, which is the aperture, and it could go all the way down to an impressive 1.4. So if we just try that out real quick, ooh, a little bit not good there on the AI. You can see in between my hands there is a little bit of imperfection, but there it goes. It looks like it fixed itself. So that's pretty nice. Ooh, it came back. It should be better. All right, I don't know what to make of that, but you guys have seen that in real time. So not too good to see that, but let's go ahead and come back and let's just increase the aperture. Since this is more landscape photo, we're going to try maybe, let's say 6. All right, and then let's see what other options we have. And then there's zoom. Definitely want to check out the zoom. So let's go ahead and try to zoom out. Okay, so that's pretty wide. I'll say the wide angle is pretty nice. Now let's go ahead and zoom in. There it is. One time zoom, past it. Okay, we're approaching 5 times zoom. I'm not having so much of a good experience here, but let's see. All right, there it is. 10 times zoom. It's getting a little bit grainier. There it is. Yep, that's as grainy as it gets. And that's 24 times zoom. All right. Of course, you could still do it manually. I'll probably just zoom like this. The other stuff was a little bit inconvenient. So we're gonna go back to our menus. Let's see what else we have. I think I moved it a little bit. Okay, so you got the camera options. Let's see. Okay, so basically the same options as right here. So a little bit redundant there. So let's go ahead and check out what else we have. Okay, so the styles. I did check out the styles a little bit earlier. Oh, I like this. Vibrant is nice. So kind of just like little settings. Oh, this is really nice. Cozy is really nice. All right, maybe we'll stick with cozy for now. And then let's see what other options there is. We also don't want to like overdo this photo. And then we have tone. Tone will probably be the last one here. So we can make it brighter or make it darker. Very nice. So I will make it a little bit brighter there. And let's take the photo by just clicking in. There it is. Yeah, I must say this looks really, really nice. For social media purposes, you don't need anything more than this, legit. This is great. Wow, I am actually impressed. Definitely more than okay. The process to get here was not as fast. I'll still say with a pro camera, it is a lot much faster and better, but this is more than okay. All right, guys, so now we've seen what photos look like with the iPhone Pro Max. Pretty impressive. Let's see what a cinematic kind of video will look like. Hopefully this video was able to help you make your purchase decision or just inform you on some things on the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. If it has helped you in any way somehow, please do hit the like button, subscribe. If you do decide to get the iPhone, I will link it in the description below as well with some accessories that I think you will like. Thank you so much, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.